Good morning, y'all. So this is the cutting part of the day. It's been 12 hours or so now. Well, over 12 hours actually. So here's the concrete. So like I said yesterday, we're gonna do a saw cut right here. One directly in the middle. And we did tell them to do off corners as well. It's just gonna look a little wonky doing random corners, but that's where they're gonna break. And we're gonna do one right here, right in this corner. That's more likely where it will break. But he wants it right in the middle of the window. So let me get this generator started and we'll go ahead and start saw cutting these joints. Alright guys, so I just got all the lines marked out, and I know you guys can give me crap for using red chalk, so I use my pencil on the rest. So there's two red chalk lines. On this one, it's 58 inches from this corner on both ways, 79 both ways from the thing, so it's where it should be, right in the middle. But it really just looks like it's coming at an angle. I'm gonna leave this one waiting for when the client comes back. That way, if he wants to keep it in the middle or if he wants to make it look straight, that's on him, and we'll go ahead and do that. So I'll get these cut. I gotta load up all this concrete, take out all the plastic, blow off the pad. I gotta break all this up, throw it in the back of my truck. So this is about a good half yard to a yard right here. I would say close to a yard. So I'm gonna go throw that down the street. There's this rental place that's trying to fill up a lot of the hillside. We'll throw that, come back, and client should be here by then, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so here we go. Here's all my cuts. So that was my original one. Remember how I told you guys it was off a little bit? So that just looks so much better, nice and straight with the window. It all cut out. As you guys saw, I was cleaning the edges because there's a lot of boogers right where the pavers meet each other. So we clean all that up. Homeowner's gonna put all these pavers back in. That's what he originally had, was pavers. So alright, sorry, I was taking some pictures too for the gram and Facebook. I still gotta clean up all that, and I gotta wait for him. He's gotta, well, his wife has a dentist appointment, so I have to wait for that to get some checks. But in the meantime, that's pretty much it. I doubt you guys want to see me break up this concrete and load it up, but just in case, I will put in the video as a time lapse. You never know. I mean, they're interesting sometimes, I guess, just watching this pile come from this pile to nothing in the truck. And like I said, there's a rental place literally down the road that will take that to. Then they're trying to fill up big, I mean, we're all on hills, like pretty much all of this is it's hard to find some flat land. So they're trying to fill up a hill so they can continue growing there, but they got a long way to go. But yeah, I'll start breaking this up. Well, I'm probably gonna put my tools up real quick, organize it all to the front, so I'm completely done, and start breaking this up on a time lapse. So Alright guys, so all that got cleaned up. About a yard, give or take. Like I said, that's that right there. I got a little bit more over there, maybe a wheelbarrow worth or so. Got to clean up. And yeah, got a little bit in there and dump that in here real quick. So I'm gonna go through this one, clean that up, and meet you guys at the landfill. Look at my hat. I've left it back here and there was a bunch of stuff on there. I saw it crooked, but it works. Alright guys, so here we are at the rental place. Here's where we've been dumping. Well, a lot of people dump. So I'm gonna put you guys on the time lapse, and that's pretty much it for this video. I have to go, I'm gonna go eat, and then I gotta burn an hour somewhere because he's not gonna be here for about another hour or so. So yeah, thanks for watching.